डियर स्टूडेंट्स, अब हम कोवलेंट बॉन्ड के MCQs टेस्ट को हल करते हैं जी। पहला क्वेश्चन है, ए कोवलेंट बॉन्ड इज फॉर्म बाय। तो ऑप्शन ए है ट्रांसफर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन, ऑप्शन बी म्यूचुअल शेयरिंग ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन, ऑप्शन सी लॉस ऑफ प्रोटॉन, ऑप्शन डी अट्रैक्शन ऑफ ऑपोजिट चार्जेस। तो इसमें जो ऑप्शन बी है वो सही है जी। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 है, विच टाइप ऑफ एलिमेंट यूजुअली फॉर्म कोवलेंट बॉन्ड। ऑप्शन ए है मेटल्स, ऑप्शन बी है नॉन मेटल्स, ऑप्शन सी है नोबल गैसेस और ऑप्शन डी है ट्रांजिशन मेटल्स। तो इसमें जो जवाब सही है वो हैं जी ऑप्शन बी, नॉन मेटल्स। Question number 3 है, in an ionic bond, atoms lower their energy by। ionic bond में atoms अपनी एनर्जी लोअर कैसे करते हैं? शेयरिंग इलेक्ट्रॉन ऑप्शन ए है, ट्रांसफरिंग इलेक्ट्रॉन्स ऑप्शन बी, ऑप्शन सी है स्प्लिटिंग न्यूक्लियाई, ऑप्शन डी रिपेलिंग ईच अदर। तो जो जवाब सही है वो है जी transferring electron ionic bond। Question number 4 है, a single covalent bond involve one electron pair share, option B 2 electron pair share, option C 3 electron pair shared, option D no electron sharing। Correct answer is A, 1 electron pair shared। Question number 5 है, a double covalent bond is represented by option A 1 line, option B 2 lines, option C 3 lines, option D 4 dots। Double covalent bond is represented by, correct option है B 2 lines। Question number 6, triple covalent bond, the triple covalent bond involve 1 electron pair, 2 electron pairs, 3 electron pairs, 4 electron pairs। Correct option is C 3 electron pairs। Question number 7, which molecule contain a double covalent bond? Option A water, option B carbon dioxide, option C methane, option D ammonia। Correct answer is carbon dioxide। Only carbon dioxide contain a double covalent bond। Question number 8, in a water molecule, oxygen shares electron with 1 hydrogen atom, 2 hydrogen atom, 3 hydrogen atom, 4 hydrogen atom। Correct option is B 2 hydrogen atoms। Question number 9, the bond in nitrogen gas N2 is single covalent bond, double covalent bond, triple covalent bond, ionic bond। Correct option is C triple covalent bond। Which of the following, question number 10 है, which of the following has a tetrahedral structure due to covalent bonding? Ammonia, option A ammonia NH3, methane CH4, C ethane C2H4, oxygen O2। Correct option is methane। Question number 11, ethene C2H4 contains only single bonds, one double bond, two double bonds, or triple bonds. Correct option is B, 1 double bond. Question number 12. In covalent bonding, atom achieves stability by acquiring A. Half-filled orbits, B. Electronic configuration of the nearest noble gas, C. Positive charge, D. Metallic character. And the correct option is electronic configuration of the nearest noble gas. Question number 13. Which of the following is not a covalent compound? Water, H2O, carbon dioxide, CO2, sodium chloride, NaCl, methane, CH4. And class, correct option is C, sodium chloride. It is an ionic compound. Question number 14. The force at lower energy during bond formation is repulsion between nuclei, attraction between electron and opposite nuclei, repulsion between electrons, loss of protons. And the correct option is option B. In covalent bond, the shared electron can be represented by arrows, dot or crosses, numbers, charges. And the correct option is shared electron in covalent bond is represented by dot and crosses.